Namaskarams. Welcome to Munch and Mull with Sujata. Today I am going to be harvesting my greens grown in my balcony garden for a recipe called Keerai Masiyal from Tamilnadu. Munch and Mull is a platform to share various aspects of our food, health and environment through the medium of vegetarian recipes. So our focus is the Mull point. So please do watch the video till the end for the Mull point. And it's such a pleasure to harvest something that is grown in your own home. Here are my harvested greens from my balcony garden, and this is thanks to my husband. He really has a very green thumb. And I am going to be using this green palak, which is sourced from an organic farmer, as the quantity that I have harvested is not enough. So the other ingredients used to prepare Keerai Masiyal is oil. I have used cold pressed coconut oil 2 tablespoons, a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a teaspoon of Chana Dal, a teaspoon of Urad Dal, 2 red chillies, turmeric powder, salt to taste, coconut. Generally lemon is not used in the preparation of Keerai Masiyal, but I use it, and I'll tell you a very interesting reason why I use lemon at the end of the episode. It's better always to wash the vegetables before cutting. If vegetables are washed after cutting, a lot of water soluble nutrients are lost. Let's chop the greens. It need not be chopped very finely. So now I will be steaming the greens. So let me add the turmeric powder, water, I will transfer this to a mixie jar. As we've not added salt, it still retains the green color. So now first I pour the coconut oil, goes the mustard. Now I add the Chana Dal, Urad Dal, the red chilli, and now let's add the blended greens. And this is the water that we had used to steam. So I've collected the water and we can use it now to pour it back. Let me add the salt. So it has retained the green color, and now I add the coconut. So our Keerai Masiyal is almost ready, and I am switching off the gas now. I am squeezing the lemon. Yes, it's ready. Here our tasty and nutritious Keerai Masiyal is ready. Keerai Masiyal could be had by itself with rice and ghee, or you can have it as a side dish with rice, sambar or rasam. It also goes well with chapatis. And now coming to today's Mull point. Why do you think I added lemon to the Keerai Masiyal, which is not a very common practice? Green leafy vegetables are extremely rich in iron, but the iron absorption is increased by the presence of vitamin C. So to aid the absorption of iron from the keerai into our body, I have added lemon. Green leafy vegetables being such a rich source of iron, Why should we compromise the goodness of green leafy vegetables with having supplements like iron tablets or iron pills to fulfill the iron requirements of the body? So please mull over this and leave your comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I invite you to join me at Munch and Mull, where traditional flavors meet a green future. Do share this video with your family and friends. Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications of newest videos uploaded. Thank you and Namaskarams.